TrustRadius Quote Finder Chrome extension gives you access to all your best customer quotes at your fingertips. Let's do a quick walkthrough. Once you've installed the Chrome extension, it shows up right here on your browser. I highly recommend clicking on the puzzle icon and pinning the Chrome extension for quick access. Now let's walk through the app itself. This is how I use the Chrome extension at TrustRadius. I want to make sure that the content is filtered down to make sure it resonates with my audience. So you can do that by segmenting by employee count is one way to do it. You can also search by feature. Custom questions happens to be an important feature at TrustRadius, which pulls up the relevant quotes right here. You can also search by competition, which pulls up quotes tagged for the competition. You can also search by value proposition. High value content is an important value proposition at TrustRadius. Once you find the right quote, just hit copy and paste it where you need it to go. By default, it pastes an image. You can also click on this arrow and choose to copy rich text. Rich text is a really good format for email as it also includes a link to the full review. Now you can also choose plain text, which gives you bare bones review content, which can be really helpful as well. An important setting here is to click on this gear icon, and it gives you access to change that default copy option for your quote. You can also change the date range from a default of 1 year to all time and hit save. Once you do that, your Chrome extension is ready to go with access to all your quotes